a career in artificial intelligence excites you, you're looking at one of today's most innovative and rapidly growing fields. AI is reshaping industries from healthcare and finance to autonomous vehicles and entertainment, opening doors to rewarding roles that combine intellectual challenge and creativity. Your journey starts by understanding that AI is a broad umbrella, covering specialities like machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, and AI ethics. Roles vary widely, ranging from AI researchers and data scientists to product managers who guide AI-powered solutions. You likely already possess skills that set you up for success, including programming knowledge in languages like Python or R, a solid grasp of statistics, strong problem-solving abilities, and the communication skills needed to explain complex concepts clearly. Building your core competencies begin with foundational learning. On Coursera, you can find expertly designed courses that guide you step by step through AI basics from programming and algorithms to data handling and model building. These courses emphasize hands-on practice, fostering confidence as you apply your knowledge to real-world inspired projects. Gaining practical experience is critical. Engaging with AI projects, whether building chatbots, training image recognition models, or analyzing large datasets, deepens understanding, builds the portfolio you need to stand out. Joining AI communities and participating in meetups or forums broadens your network while keeping you informed about industry trends. Credibility through credentials also carries weight with employers. Professional certificates and certifications in AI and related fields provide validated credentials demonstrating your skills. These credentials often include career support, helping you prepare resumes, practice interviews, and connect with potential employers. AI is a fast-evolving field that rewards lifelong learning. As you grow, explore advanced topics like generative AI or AI ethics, and consider specialized certifications or further education to deepen your expertise and leadership potential. When you're ready to apply, focus on roles aligned with your skills and experiences, such as an AI engineer, machine learning specialist, or AI product manager. Tailor your portfolio and resume, prepare for interviews, and highlight your projects and credentials. Embarking on a career in AI means joining a transformative space that promises innovation and impact. For structured paths, specialized guidance, and course recommendations, explore the How to Successfully Switch to a Career in Artificial Intelligence guide on Coursera. The link is in the description below.